Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I just wanted to show you like a visual representation of what my days go like on the days when I'm not extreme cleaning and cleaning everything thoroughly. So I just had a bunch of laundry to take care of. I have not been able to stick to the one laundry a day rule, or one load of laundry a day, so I've pretty much just given up on that and I'm just doing it as needed, and I just fold it all in one go. And then I'm gonna cook with you guys a little bit and show you what we had for lunch before I went to work, and we're just gonna pick up and clean. So hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think down below, and also if you have suggestions about my question at the end, please let me know.
Funny how the story goes, little hope but bigger dreams. They try to bring a sucker down, singing louder than the crowd. Listen the rhythm, I'm feeling brand new. Keep pushing forward, it's gonna save you. Never look down, love, not when we shine so bright. The sun is getting warmer, oh, when we soar away among the clouds. The sky is just a border, oh, when we're floating up like helium.
The clothes that I'm throwing off to the side are the girls' baby doll clothes that they're gonna put away themselves. I definitely don't fold those.
Sip me up like lemonade, we both know it's bittersweet. The sorrowness will bite your tongue, no one is forever young. No, listen the rhythm, I'm feeling brand new. Keep pushing forward, it's gonna save you. Never look down, love, not when we shine so bright.
So this is how I would just clean if I was just regularly cleaning. I'm getting ready to head to work, and so I just picked up all the clothes and wiped down the counter. And you did what? Oh, I forgot to give you back your lipstick. Jordan's obsessed with lip gloss. So there we go. And I keep these out for the kids too. house regularly if I was just picking it up on like a regular pickup basis that's not like an extreme cleaning, or the times during the week where I actually pick up. So you see I did sweep the floor, I cleared everything out, and I'll do this a couple times a week and it still gets to be a disaster. But so that's what I'm showing you here today.
Trying or not, building a nest in your weaknesses, swimming around in your bloodstream, can't make it stop. Oh, I just need a towel that. Oh, no, don't let them get in your head, So don't, please don't let them get in your head, keep on moving through the beat. we dance in the blizzard, we are not getting cold. So keep on dancing, baby.
Okay guys, so that's all I have for you today. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know down below, first of all, number one, I really need some advice on what you guys use for stains on clothes. I just got some new clothes for the kids and I want to be able to salvage them so they don't end up with those little things on them. So I need some help with that because the thing that I'm the worst at is the laundry. And so I've never like really spot treated a lot of laundry. It's just here and there that I do it. But I need a product that I can use more regularly on the kids' clothes to keep them nice. Also, let me know what you guys think of doing videos more like this versus like the big extreme jobs. Do you guys want to see more of like what I do through the week and what I do like on odd days when it's not a complete disaster? Then let me know down below. Also, I have some haul videos coming up in the future. Also some things we've been using around here that we really like, and I might introduce some vlogs coming up, so just stay tuned for all that. I really enjoy you guys coming along with me and being a part of our YouTube family and just all the support and love that you guys give me all the time. So let me show you what I made for lunch because I have to get ready because I'm actually on my way to get ready for work.
It's taco soup.
It's taco soup.
I look tired.
Here's what I made.
I need some tape, Mom. I need to borrow it.
It is so good, you guys. I love taco soup. You need to try this. You add like cheese and sour cream and it's like super good. So please give this video a like. Let me know what you think. Please give me some feedback on the things I asked about, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.